What's going on, everybody? Steve here, Rake and Profit over at rakeandprofit.com, coming back to you with another video. It's a rainy day and wanted to share some interesting facts about my Amazon business that you might not know. Number one, I've done about $1 million in the last 12 months, and I don't source much at all from thrift stores anymore, from garage sales, from any of those places. It's mostly all eBay to Amazon. Number two, most of the products that I'm flipping now are 100% brand new, okay? So I know you might watch my Instagrams or some of my short form, and I do a lot of used books and different things like that. But I like to share that content, not because I'm trying to be a fake, but the reality is it's probably the best way for a lot of beginners to start. You know, you could buy books for $1. A lot of these books are ungated. There's low risk. You could learn the ropes, learn Keepa. But for me in my business now, it's 100% eBay to Amazon flipping, and it's all new items, right? Number three, why new versus used? Is it because it's more safe? Is it more dangerous? So on and so forth. Why do I do new items? I do new because they sell very, very fast. You don't have to test them. They're brand new sealed, and there's a lot less competition. With used products, there's usually a lot more sellers because there's usually a lot more of a used product versus a new sealed product. Number four, I love new because I'm able to sell for a lot more money. My average selling price over the last year, I've done about $1 million in sales. I've sold, I don't know what, 8,000 to 9,000 plus items. My average selling price is over 120, close to $130. So what I love about the eBay to Amazon flipping is I can go after high ticket products. I could literally go after items that I could pay $40, $50 and sell for 120, 130. My average profit, number six, my average profit is $30 plus, $30 to $35 per flip. So, I mean, this is one of the things about eBay to Amazon. I mean, the margins are insane, the ROI is insane, and you can go after these high ticket products, and there's just so much money to be made. Now, number seven, another thing that I really love about my business that you might not know is there's very little competition. There is way less competition with eBay to Amazon compared to traditional online arbitrage, right? Retail arbitrage, thrifting. I love that most people have no idea you can do it. Most people don't think that you're allowed to do it. They think the FBI is going to show up at your house. They think that, oh, if you get a counterfeit or a Section 3, you're going to be shut down. This isn't true at all, okay? Number eight, I don't list my products. I don't touch my products. I don't see my products. I don't deal with returns. I have a prep center that does 100% of the work. So having a virtual assistant team, I have 9 virtual assistants paired with my prep center, Little Owl Prep, paired with FBA. I'm literally able to run my business 100% from home, from a laptop. I don't have to see the products. I don't have to touch the products. I can travel. I can go to the beach. I mean, it's just, I can't believe more people don't do this, guys. So just want to share a little insight into my eBay to Amazon business. If you have any more questions, drop a comment down below. But man, eBay to Amazon, thank God for eBay to Amazon. It literally saved my business. And I posted a video before this. Our users, and we only have a couple hundred users, over the last 6 months, they've sold over $26 million on Amazon, okay? Over 26 million, because users that integrate with the replay cacher to get like more insights and stuff, we're able to see into their accounts and different things like that. Now it's all confidential. We don't use it. It's not like we're stealing replans or doing anything crazy like that, but we can see the Amazon orders if we really wanted to dive into it. And over $26 million, absolutely insane. Freaking nuts. It's crazy. I'm not the only one doing this. There are hundreds of others doing it. And I just wanted to share some pretty cool insights.
Let's go. We ain't slowing down, baby. Come and show me how. Gotta do it right now. You know you gotta hold me down. Can I let the moment pass? Good things, they never last. Pull up in a whip, you know I had a